Well, did you laugh at that joke? Cause I did. Good morning. Today's assembly is being presented to you by the students of class 8B. World Laughter Day was established in 1998 and the first celebration was on July 28, 2008 in Mumbai, India, arranged by Dr. Madan Kataria, the founder of Worldwide Yoga Laughter Movement.
When you laugh, you change. And when you change, the whole world changes around you. Positive and powerful emotions that has all the ingredients required for individuals to change themselves and to change the world in a peaceful and positive way.
A Day Without Laughter is a Day Wasted by Charlie Chaplin. Smiling and laughing gives a positive effect on well-being, but as you make transitions from a child to an adult, you often tend to lose the habit of indulging in these behaviors.
Laughter is like a windshield wiper. It doesn't stop the rain, but allows us to keep going. Social benefits of laughter. Laughter is contagious. So, if you bring more laughter into your life, you can most likely help others around you laugh more. By elevating the moods of those around you, you can reduce their stress level and possibly improve the quality of social interaction you experience with them, reducing your stress level even more. What's even better is that the more you smile, the more others will too. Seeing a smile creates what is termed as a halo effect, helping us remember other happy events more vividly, feel more optimistic, more positive, and more motivated.
No one needs to tell you the road to your laughter. You should find it from your heart. Humor lightens burdens, inspires hopes, connects you to others, and keeps you grounded, focused, and alert. It also helps you release anger and forgive soon. Best of all, this priceless medicine is fun, free, and easy to use.
Always find a reason to laugh. It may not add years to your life, but surely will add life to your years. A good belly laugh exercises the diaphragm, contracts the abs, and even works out the shoulders, leaving muscles relaxed afterward. It even provides a good workout for the heart.
Against the assault of laughter, nothing can stand, by Mark Twain. Find simple items such as photos, greeting cards, and comic strips which can make you chuckle. Now, hang them up in your home or in your office. Keep funny magazines, videos, movies, CDs, etc. on hand when you need an added humor boost. Go to a comedy website. Go to a comedy club.
Thank you for protecting us and our family during these tough times. Thank you for making us laugh and smile. Thank you for teaching us new lessons every day. Thank you for giving us new opportunities. Thank you for everything. May God be with us in our work and play. Satyam Bruyat, Priyam Bruyat.